Today I am going to do something very interesting. I will test ChatGPT. Yes, I will ask ChatGPT to teach me English, and we will see if ChatGPT can really help someone improve their English quickly. But here is the interesting part. I will ask ChatGPT 3 different challenges. Challenge number 1. Can ChatGPT teach me daily English sentences? Challenge number 2. Can ChatGPT correct my mistakes? Challenge number 3. Can ChatGPT help me speak English more fluently? So watch this video till the end, because the third challenge is the most powerful one. So let's start with the challenge number 1. Challenge number 1 is very simple. I will ask ChatGPT to give me 5 English sentences which we can use every day. So I type, ChatGPT, give me 5 daily English sentences that everyone should know. Let's see what it says. Great, let's read them together. Sentence number 1. How are you doing today? And ChatGPT says it means a polite way to ask someone how they are feeling today. Sentence number 2. Could you please help me? ChatGPT says it means a respectful way to ask someone for help. Sentence number 3. I really appreciate it, meaning you say this when you are thankful for someone's help or kindness. Number 4. Let me think about it, meaning you say this when you need some time before making a decision. Number 5. That sounds like a good idea, meaning you say this when you agree with someone's suggestions. Now I want you to repeat these sentences with me. Ready? How are you doing today? Could you please help me? I really appreciate it. Let me think about it. That sounds like a good idea. Very good. So you can see here how simple this is. ChatGPT can give you useful sentences which you can use daily to sound more confident and fluent in English. But now let's move to challenge number 2. Challenge number 2 is about correcting mistakes. Many people are afraid to speak English because they think they will make mistakes. But do you know ChatGPT can help you fix those mistakes? So I will write a wrong sentence. I type, I am going to market yesterday. Let's see what ChatGPT says. So you can see here ChatGPT correction appears. Look at that. ChatGPT says the correct answer is I went to the market yesterday, and it also explains why. You can pause the video and read his complete answer. This is very powerful because now you have a teacher who can correct your mistakes in your English, and you have this teacher all the time in your mobile. You can write sentences, you can ask questions, and ChatGPT will guide you. But now we are going to try the most interesting challenge. Challenge number 3 is about speaking English more naturally. Many learners know grammar, many learners know vocabulary, but when they try to speak, they feel stuck. So now I will ask ChatGPT to have a conversation with me in English. I type, ChatGPT, let's have a small conversation so I can practice English. Let's see the reply. Now ChatGPT asks me a question. It says, hello, how are you today? So I will answer, I am pretty well. Thanks for asking. Now you can see ChatGPT is helping me speak better English. It says good answer. A slightly more natural version would be, I am doing pretty well. Thanks for asking. Now I ask ChatGPT a question. What do you recommend for people who want to improve their English? Look at that what ChatGPT says. Number 1. Practice English speaking every day. Even 10 to 15 minutes of speaking daily helps builds confidence. Listen to English regularly. Watch English videos, podcasts or movies to improve understanding and pronunciation. Number 3. Learn common daily sentences. Focus on sentences people use in real conversations. Number 4. Read simple English content. Number 5. Think in English. Try to think about daily activities in English instead of translating from your native language. So here ChatGPT suggests practicing daily, learning new words and speaking regularly. This is exactly what we need. Now imagine this. You can practice like this every day, morning, afternoon, night, whenever you want. You don't need a partner. You don't need to wait for a class. You can simply open ChatGPT and start practicing. Now I want to try one more interesting thing. I will ask ChatGPT to give me 3 advanced sentences that make us sound fluent. So I type, ChatGPT, give 3 sentences that make someone sound more fluent in English. Let's read them. Sentence number 1. As far as I understand, meaning you use this when you want to explain what you know about something. So it is giving us example also. Example, as far as I understand, this problem can be solved easily. So you can see our teacher teaches us in very easy ways. It's very easy to understand. So sentence number 2. To be honest, ChatGPT says it means you use this when you want to say your real opinion. For example, to be honest, I really enjoyed the movie. Sentence number 3. It depends on the situation, and it means means you say this when the answer is different in different situations. For example, should we work in the morning or at night? It depends on the situation. These sentences are simple, but they sound very natural. This is how fluent speakers talk. Not complicated words, just clear and confident sentences. So today we tested ChatGPT with 3 challenges. Daily English sentences, second, grammar correction, and 3, daily conversation practice. And the shocking truth is ChatGPT passed all 3 challenges. But remember something very important. ChatGPT can teach you. ChatGPT can guide you. But improvements happen only when you practice. So open ChatGPT today and try these 3 things. Ask for daily sentences. Write a sentence and ask for a correction. And start conversations with ChatGPT to improve your fluency. If you do this every day, your English will improve faster than you think. If you want, I can also make another video where I will show you the best prompts to learn English using ChatGPT. If you want that video, just write in the comments. Show us the prompts. If this video helped you, please like this video and share with someone who wants to learn English. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.